Hey there, math stars. You absolutely crushed 2x plus 4 equals 10, x equals 3, easy. But here's the thing, what if I change just one tiny number? What if it's 2x plus 4 equals 8? Does everything fall apart? Nope. Same steps, new adventure. Let's solve it together right now. Okay, same rule as always. We undo the plus 4 first. Subtract 4 from both sides. On the left, 2x plus 4 minus 4. The 4's cancel out, leaving just 2x. On the right, 8 minus 4 equals 4. So now we have 2x equals 4. See, same move, different number. Now 2x means 2 times x. To undo multiplication, we divide. Divide both sides by 2. On the left, 2x divided by 2. The 2's cancel, leaving just x. On the right, 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So x equals 2. Different equation, different answer, but the same golden rule. Wait, don't walk away yet. We always check our work. Substitute x equals 2 back into the original equation. 2 times 2 plus 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. And the right side is 8. 8 equals 8. True, we did it. Look at this. 2x plus 4 equals 10 gave us x equals 3. 2x plus 4 equals 8 gave us x equals 2. See the pattern? When the total goes down by 2, the answer goes down by 1. Math isn't random, it's connected, and you just discovered the connection. Okay, brave stars. What if the equation is 2x plus 4 equals 2? That feels weird, right? The answer is smaller than 4. Don't panic, our golden rule still works. Subtract 4 from both sides. 2 minus 4 equals negative 2. So 2x equals negative 2. Divide by 2, x equals negative 1. Yes, negative numbers are allowed. Let's walk through it again, nice and slow. 2x plus 4 equals 2. Step 1, subtract 4. 2x plus 4 minus 4 equals 2 minus 4. That gives us 2x equals negative 2. Step 2, divide by 2. 2x divided by 2 equals negative 2 divided by 2. X equals negative 1. Negative answers are just answers that live on the other side of 0. Totally normal. Let's make this real. You have 4 rand in your pocket. Your parents pay you 2 rand for every chore you do. You need 10 rand to buy a snack. How many chores? That's 2x plus 4 equals 10. And we know this one, x equals 3. 3 chores, 10 rand, happy snack time. Here's another one. A taxi charges 4 rand to start, plus 2 rand for every kilometer. Your total fare is 10 rand. How far did you go? 2x plus 4 equals 10, x equals 3. So you traveled 3 kilometers. See? Algebra isn't just symbols on a board, it's everywhere in your life. Look at how far you've come. You started with one equation and now you can solve 2x plus 4 equals any number. 10, 8, 2, even negative numbers. The secret, same steps every time. Subtract first, divide second, check your answer. You're not just solving equations, you're thinking like a mathematician. See you in the next lesson, star.